Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So, pwede po mag-resonate sa iyo, pwede din pong hindi. Okay? And, pwedeng ang reading na to ay timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood Pisces, and mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nyo po, take nyo lang, okay? And the mga energies ay pwede pong vice versa. It's either this is for you or someone na dinidil nyo po. Take nyo lang po kung saan po mag-resonate. Pag hindi po mag-resonate, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? So, ano po ang mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay. Okay, so there's the Judgment and the Moon. Okay. Dalawang major arcana, Pisces, Judgment, and Moon. So, pwede you're dealing with another water, Pisces sign. Pwede din water sign kasi yun yung una ko nasabi. Okay. Pisces and, wow! 9 of Pentacles. Wow. Isa yan sa mga pinaka-paborito kong card dito sa ating card deck ngayon. Okay. So, ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces? There's something na matatanggap mo, Pisces. And pwedeng meron itong connection sa pera. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong Page of Pentacles, which is money. Okay? Page of money. Or pwede you're dealing with someone na merong Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Pisces sign. And someone na King of Cups. Masculine energy. Okay? So, bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. Okay, so meron tayo ditong tatlong major arcana, Pisces. Meron tayo ditong tatlong major arcana and so pwede merong involved na money, as I said kanina, kasi meron tayo ditong dalawang money pentacles na card, and there is someone na masculine energy. It depends, pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, you're in a masculine energy right now. Okay? Or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na, yun nga, may masculine energy. And this person kasi is emotionally matured. This person is have a good moral, okay? And sensitive to in a good way. Alam niya kung paano ka alagaan, or ikaw to, Pisces, alam mo kung paano alagaan yung taong nakapaligid sa'yo, alam mo kung paano i-handle yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay? Or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na may ganito, and ito yung something na ang lakas ng connection mo sa taong to. Or ikaw mismo, Pisces, malakas yung intuition mo. Kasi meron tayo ditong the High Priestess. And this card represents as something gut feeling, intuition, okay? More on parang kutob, okay? And pwedeng sa nararamdaman ko, you're asking God, asking the universe na sana meron kang matanggap, sana dumating yung ganito, sana ma-approve yung ganito, sana, alam mo yun, ang dami mong hiling, okay? And yung mga hiling na yun is tinitake down notes yun ng Panginoon, ng angel, ng universe mo, okay? And in God's perfect time, ibibigay na to sa'yo. Ibibigay niya to in the right time, in the right person, okay? In the right place. And the Judgment, kitang-kita, there's an angel. So, pwedeng sa nararamdaman ko din, there's a parang destiny, okay? You are destined to receive this kind of pwedeng pera, pwedeng emotional, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong Pisces and King of Cups. Okay? It depends po kung saan po mag-resonate. And Page of Pentacles, kitang-kita nyo, meron siya tinatanggap. Alam mo yun? Meron siya tinatanggap, and pareho dito sa mga taong ganito. Okay? Binigay ito ng panahon, ng universe, ng Panginoon para sa'yo. Okay, so, iganon mo yung kamay mo, Pisces, tanggapin mo ng buong puso. Tanggapin mo with a grateful heart. Okay? And because of that, makakapag-ipon ka. You have to attract abundance, Pisces. You have to attract positivity. You have to attract something na yung gusto mo. Okay? Iwasan yung mga bagay na parang magrereklamo. Okay? Bakit walang ganito? Bakit ganito? Bakit ganito yung mga ganito? Ayan. Yung mga ganong energy, yun yung parang instead na dumating yung positive, happiness, abundance, nabablock siya because of that words. Okay? So, for you, Pisces, it's either to think happiness, think positive, think abundance, for you to attract that kind of energies. Okay? And let God handle the situation. Surrender everything to God. Okay? Okay? Kasi there's a light at the end of the tunnel, Pisces. There's always the light at the end of the tunnel. You have to look at the brighter side. Okay? And kung sa nararamdaman mo parang nabibigatan ka, it's okay. Surrender everything to God. Wag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo. Wag mong i-pressure, pahirapan yung sarili. Pag hindi na kaya, ibigay sa ating Panginoon, kay universe na siya na bahala. Okay? It is what it is. Okay? If it's meant for you, it will find you. Okay? It will come to you easily. Hindi mo kailangan paghirapan yun, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng isa nating tarot cards and i-clarify natin itong mga cards na lumabas ngayon. Okay? What is the Judgment card? Open muna natin tong isa nating tarot cards na nandito. What is the Judgment card? Isa-isahin natin itong shuffle muna natin pala. There's a Two of Cups. Okay, so pwede meron itong connection sa love, Pisces. Pwede meron itong connection sa love. And there's a King of Cups din dito sa atin. So, there's a soulmate, there's a destiny. Pwede ding love reading din ito. Pwede ding financial. Okay? Or kung yung Two of Cups na yun, pwedeng there is someone na matatanggap mo in the right time, in the right place. You deserve what you deserve. Okay? So, ano po ang clarifications for the Judgment card? Ooh, Six of Wands. Okay, this card is a victory card. This card is something na, kumbaga, ikakaangat mo sa buhay. Okay, pwedeng there's a level up on your career, Pisces. There's a level up on your love life, okay? Kahit ano, basta yung bagay na inaasam-asam mo. Okay? So, maganda. Good news ang kumbaga, ibibigay ng angel natin dito. Okay? Na kung saan meron siyang binublow na trumpet, I guess. Okay? And tinatanggap ng mga tao nandito. Okay. So, ano po ang clarifications for the moon card? Ano po ang clarifications for the moon card for Pisces? Pwede nyo dealing also with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And yes, Eight of Swords. You feel stuck. Okay? You feel stuck for something or for the situation na parang walang nangyayari. Okay? Sinabi ko kanina na parang, bakit ganito? Bakit yung mga ganito? Bakit ganyan? Okay? So, yun yung parang nagbablock sa'yo, Pisces, for you to receive these all beautiful things right here. Okay? Yun yung nagbablock sa'yo. And kita nyo, nakagapo siya. Para pa siyang napalibutan ng mga swords and naka-blindfold pa siya. Okay? Pero sa likuran niya, Pisces, there is a castle right here. Okay? So, you have to attract, you have to look at the brighter side, Pisces. Tanggalin mo yung mga overthinking, yung mga anxiety. Okay? And look at the brighter side. Pag hindi mo kaya, surrender everything to God. Siya yung nakakaalam. Siya yung, alam mo yun, siya yung, he can see, he can hear, he can do whatever he wants. Only God. Okay? So, pag hindi mo kaya, pag hindi mo makontrol yung situation, hindi yun para sa'yo. Para sa Panginoon yun. And all you have to do is to trust. you have to trust. Okay? And huwag kalimutan na gamitin ang intuition mo, Pisces. You have kalimutan na gamitin yung wisdom, yung mga lessons na natutunan sa mga nakaraang, alam mo yun, mga nakaraang araw, buwan, o linggo, o taon. Okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for Nine of Pentacles for Pisces? Okay, ayun. So, Queen of Wands and Ten of Swords. You deserve this kind of abundance, Pisces, kasi ang dami mong napagdaanan. Okay? Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords. Ang dami mong, kumbaga, backstabbing, pwede din, okay? So, dati, ang daming nanguhusga sa'yo, okay? Mostly, yun yung mga taong, alam mo yun, mga taong pwedeng pinapahalagahan mo, or yung mga taong walang magawa sa buhay, Pisces, okay? So, kahit alin man dun, you suffered a lot, especially from your past, okay? Pero hindi yun naging hadlang sa'yo para maging isang mabuting tao, okay? And, as I said kanina, gamitin yung lesson na napagdaanan dati, ito, for you to be a matured person, okay? To be a better person, Pisces. Okay? Queen of Wands. Nakaupo siya sa trono and this person is generous, mabait. Okay? Kumaga, pwede ding mapagkalinga kasi meron tayo ditong King of Cups. Pero mostly mapagbigay. Okay? So, you became a matured, better person, Pisces. And kung ano man yung napagdaanan mo dati, kung pwede, kalimutan mo. Pero kung hindi naman, it's okay kung hindi mo makalimutan. You can look, alam mo yun, kapag tingnan mo yung napagdaanan mo and gamitin mo yung lesson na yun for you to be a better person. Habang nilalakad mo yung panibagong mga journey, panibagong landas na nakalaan para sa iyo, Pisces. Okay? To be a better person. Okay? So, ano po yung Page of Pentacles. Yes. Nine of Swords and that Temperance. This Page of Swords Page of Pentacles right here, Pisces, is matagal mo tong hinintay. Okay? Matagal kang you feel lonely. Matagal kang nakaramdam na parang pwedeng umabot ka sa punto ng buhay mo, Pisces, na maybe you suffer depression, anxiety, overthinking. Okay? Na parang, alam mo yun, nagsi-self-pity ka din na feel mo walang nangyayari sa buhay mo. Okay? Kasi there's a Eight of Swords, there's a Nine of Swords, and Ten of Swords. So, ang dami mong napagdaanan, especially from your past. And it's been a long time. Medyo matagal-tagal din na panahon bago ka naka-recover or bago mo to matanggap itong magandang things na darating sa'yo in the near future. Okay? And the Temperance, this card kasi represents as perfect timing, okay? Perfect timing, patience, okay? Pasensya, and trusting the process. Okay? So, kung ano man yung napagdaanan dati na feeling mo, ang tagal-tagal na panahon mong ininda, ang tagal-tagal na panahon mong hinintay, okay? Pero kahit ganun man yun, Pisces, darating at darating na to. It's either this is a financial abundance, financial upgrade, or emotional love upgrade, Pisces. Okay? So, malapit na siya, malapit na ito. Huwag mapanghinaan ng loob. Okay? And, be a better person. Okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for King of Cups? There's the Hangman, and Ace of Cups, Pisces, Ace of Love, Ace of Emotional. Bottom of the deck is the Sun. Wow. Kita nyo Pisces, full of positivity, full of happiness, full of purity, full of genuine. Okay? So, and bigla ko naisip yung word na gentle. Okay? So, you're dealing with someone na you deserve. You're dealing with someone na hiniling mo lang dati. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to Pisces na you become a better person. And merong mga bagay, pwedeng financial, ang darating na sa'yo. Sisikat na yung araw sa'yo, Pisces. Dati nasa shadow ka lang, na feeling mo parang wala, parang ano ba tong buhay ko? Parang ganun. Okay? And you feel stuck. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong the hangman and this card represents a stagnant energy. Pero magme-make na siya ng move. Okay? Magme-make na siya ng move which is Ace of Cups. Which is ibibigay na yung love na deserve sa'yo. Okay? You deserve this kind of love. Full of genuine, full of gentle, full of purity, okay, faithfulness, punong-puno ng pagmamahal, Pisces. Okay? Pero kung pera man ito, financial upgrade, career upgrade, Pisces, siksik, liglig, at umaapaw na biyaya ang darating sa iyo. Tingnan nyo, ito, meron tayo ditong temperance and ace of cups. Galing dito, nililipat dito sa cup mo, Pisces. And ito yung cup mo na ibibigay na kalaan para sa iyo. Nag-uumapaw. Okay, so, wow. Sobrang ganda ng mga cards natin ngayon. And this card right here is, there's a past scenarios and there's a future beautiful, wonderful things na darating sa iyo, Pisces. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino o ano po yung mga konektado sa reading ni Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? So, yes, there's a negosyo. So, pwede meron itong connection sa negosyo, company. Okay? So, pwede makakapagpatayo ka ng kumpanya mo, sarili mong kumpanya, Pisces. Wow! Matangos ang ilong. Pwede din namang nagtatabaho ka. Okay? Masipag, matangos ang ilong, masipag, anak. Pwede meron connection sa anak or meron ka ng anak or magkakaanak kayo. Okay? Friend. Pwedeng kaibigan mo to. And conversation. Okay? So, yun lang po ang reading sa araw na ito for Pisces. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!